People face a lot of challenges when it comes to buying things that matter to them, and they expect technology to help.
Consumers have become much smarter and much more digitally savvy. They expect digital to wrap around their lives.
So how do you give them what they really want? Ask them? Sure. But that'll only give you part of the picture. So we began investigating the why behind the what.
Consumer First is a really groundbreaking change in the way we're doing things. It's about rolling up our sleeves and spending time with consumers and really trying to understand what we can do to address their needs and make their lives better.
It's time to step through the two-way mirror of the research lab and have a face-to-face, honest conversation.
First, we invited people into conversations with our designers in the US and Europe. We asked them to tell us their frustrations around purchase decisions, big and small.
I'm tired of getting played and going to that dealership and just having them waste my time.
Shopping for skincare is so trial and error based. It would definitely be nice if it were easier.
I really don't like when searching for car forum apps and finding information that's unreliable.
The drive me crazy part is we live in a world of constant marketing, and so it gets really confusing, especially when it comes to something very personal to me, and that's my face.
We encourage them to let their imaginations run wild, with ideas that would help solve problems in and around their shopping experiences. Turns out, they want technology that
knows my hair and knows what products are going to be good for my hair and where and when I can get those at the best price.
Minimize the amount of information that's misleading and find information for me that was actually helpful.
That can cut through all that stuff and save me time.
Is a personal beauty consultant for me.
Anything that will help me out buying a car or research on buying a new car, I'll use it.
The best part of the whole experience was getting into groups.
To create new things, to have new ideas. Brilliant.
we gave them time and space to dream up solutions with our designers.
So consumers are absolutely key to the branding process now and how we design and develop products.
Working with the Microsoft designer was spontaneous.
They come up with things that I hadn't thought about before.
I had envisioned something like that, but he made it come to life.
Getting designers into the room with consumers lets us include the consumer in the solutions that we're imagining, so we know when we deliver, we're delivering the right thing for them.
What we discovered was eye-opening.
They're all irritated by the same things that today's advertising is doing.
Digital advertising is sort of offensive, especially if they're pop-ups or things like that.
They want to see less advertising and more information that helps them get what they want.
When you bring them into a workshop like this,
everybody can kick around their ideas and really get inside their head and learn a little bit about what shapes their lives and what their relationships are with those products.
We can begin to really pull out the types of insights that we don't get any other way.
Inspired, we began transforming some of these collaborative ideas into reality.
It's an opportunity for us to take those ideas now and make something happen.
Oh yeah, I cannot wait to see this thing come to life.
Ultimately, we're designing experiences to help the consumer meet their need and help the marketer meet their objectives together.
Ultimately, marketers want to engage more deeply and in a more relevant and timely way.
That's why we created our uniquely human, consumer-first approach for solutions that bring marketers and consumers closer together.
Once we understand the consumer's needs and the brand's objectives, we just have such a fantastic array of technology available to us to think about how we solve that problem in a way that nobody else can.